Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to create your first project with Java. We're gonna use Eclipse as an ID, so please make sure that you have Java JDK installed in your Windows 10 machine, and Eclipse Java ID is installed in your machine. If you don't have installed, I'm gonna put links on how to install those tools on the description of this video. So I'm opening my Eclipse. Double click on Eclipse. Now my Eclipse ID is opening. So it's asking for a location of the workspace. I'm going to create a workspace under C users, my username, Eclipse workspace, and launch. Now Eclipse is launching. So guys, my Eclipse is launched, and here the welcome page. You can explore this page. You can go step by step, but for right now I am not gonna read those. You can simply close it. Let's create our first project with Eclipse. Eclipse is very a useful tool. It is everything is categorized, everything is there to work on, and it's very simple. So click on File, New Java Project. Click on that and give project name. Let's say first Java project, and click on Next. Now it is creating, and click on Finish. Discouraged module name. By convention, module names usually start with lowercase letter. Module name, you can give any module name. It's gonna be the same as project name. Create. So guys, I have created Java project, and under S, close this one, we don't need that one. Under src package, so first GRE system library. Here we have all the libraries, we call it jar files, that we're gonna need in order to compile our codes, our scripts. So what it's like external helping libraries. So under CRC we're gonna create one of create new package. First we have to create package, and in this package we're gonna name it as let's say this package tutorial Java, and I will click on finish. Under this tutorial Java package, I'm gonna create this kind of file. It's called class of file. It's simply class. Package is simply, you can consider as a folder. So I'm gonna create class, and the class gonna be hello world, and click on public static void main and finish. So my class with the hello world name is created, public class hello world, and package under package tutorial Java. And here if it's double slash, it's commented out. This line will not be executed. This line is like out of code. You don't worry about this line. You can delete it. And under main method, we're gonna write our code. So here system dot out dot println. Inside this system.println, we can type hello world. And what does it mean? It will only print out in the console. Whenever we run this software, it's gonna print out hello world words in the console. with the helping of systemout.println. There is a shortcut for this one. For example, let me delete. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut. Type sysout, and we are on Windows 10. You're gonna do Control space. See, it will automatically autofill this line of code, and I'm gonna write hello world. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna right click, run as Java application. Click on that. Always save resources before launching. Select this option and click OK. Yeah, so in our console we have printed hello world. This is our first project in Java world. Instead of hello world, you can type any word. For example, control, let's copy, and in the next line, let's paste. Hello world, and I'm gonna run as Java application. Hello world. Whatever you type inside system.println, it's just for printing purposes. It will not do anything. It just print out whatever the word you type inside under this console. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like it, please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel.